Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy and set custom ringtones from the iTunes store on your iPhone. First, open your Settings app, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now select Ringtone at the top. If you have multiple SIM cards installed, choose which one you want to set the ringtone for. Scroll all the way to the top and tap Tone Store. This opens the iTunes Ringtone Store where you can browse different options. To preview any ringtone, simply tap on it and hit the play button. You can listen before purchasing. Once you find one you like, tap the price button next to the ringtone. The system will ask if you want to set it as your default ringtone. Tap that option. Now confirm your purchase by double-clicking the side button and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Once the payment goes through, your new ringtone is automatically set. And that's it. You've successfully purchased and set a custom iPhone ringtone from iTunes. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.